Here is Mr. Aries with lots of prayers, blessings, and love. Today we will look forward towards the fourth part of the law of attraction. So please, I would request you all to listen very carefully with lots of concentration to get the point maximum. So let's take start. We attract to ourselves what we hold inside. Every circumstance, every person, and every situation you or attract and experience is based on what is inside of us. Could you ask for a more magnificent system than this? No, obviously not, because this is created by God Almighty. It's the best system of the world. Because it's created by the best creator, right? So, your life is a reflection of what you hold inside your mind, and what you hold in you is always under your control. There are just two words, when spoken have most unfathomable power to completely change your life. Just two words that when they pass your lips will be the cause of bringing absolute joy and happiness to you. Just two words that will create miracles in your life, wipe out negativity, and bring you abundance in all things. Two words, just two words, that when uttered and sincerely felt will summon all the forces in the universe to move all blessings for you. All blessings for you. There are just two words between you and your success standing, and the life of your dreams. No matter where you are, no matter how different things might appear to be, you are always being moved towards this magnificent. Towards the magnificent. Always. So always stay blessed. See you again. Bye-bye.